Hey guys, we're back again to look at order of operations when we have grouping symbols and exponents. So remember that our acronym in GEMDAS, G stands for grouping, E stands for exponents, M and D stand for multiplication and division, which we do whichever one comes first, left to right. And then A and S stand for addition and subtraction, again, whichever one comes first in order from left to right. So when I look at example 1, I see that I have grouping symbols. So I'm going to start with everything that's in the grouping symbols. So inside of the grouping symbols, I see I have addition and subtraction, which I know I do in order from left to right. So the first thing in order from left to right is the 8 plus 4. So I know 8 plus 4 makes 12. So now this has become 2 cubed times, in parentheses, 12 minus 10. So I still have something inside of the parentheses, so that's what I need to simplify. 12 minus 10 I know will give me 2. So I'm going to rewrite my expression as 2 cubed times 2. So I've taken care of all of the grouping symbols. Now I'm moving on to my exponents. 2 cubed, that exponent tells me that that is really saying 2 times itself 3 times. And I know 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times 2 is 8. So 2 cubed gives me 8, and we still have times 2. And I know 8 groups of 2 is 16, so my simplified answer is 16. When we look at this next example, I see that we have grouping symbols, but we also have exponents in the grouping symbols. So I know I always start first with grouping, and then within that grouping symbols, I still have to follow the order of operations, which tells me that I'm going to take care of the exponent first. So 3 cubed tells me that that is 3 times 3 times 3. I know 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27. So I'm going to rewrite my expression, saying 2 times, in parentheses, 27 minus 5 plus 8. Again, I'm following order of operations within my parentheses, and I'm left with addition and subtraction, so I will work left to right. So I have 27 minus 5, and that will leave me 22 plus 8. And I know 22 plus 8 inside of those parentheses still that I'm still working within gives me a very friendly number of 30. So we have 2 times 30, which gives me a solution of 60.